Hello everyone, this is Shaban and you're watching Shaban Tech. Today we learn how to check account region in TikTok. Is this account is UK account, USA account or other country account? If you want to know about your TikTok account region, then you stay with me and I will teach you how you can check easily. No need any SIM card, no need anything. Okay, let's start now. Let's go to mobile screen. Come. And this is my account. Let's check this is the UK account or not. Listen, there are two methods to check this my account is UK, USA or other country account. Okay, this is my account. Okay, first method is that you click there in balance option. Okay, if you click there in balance option, then you can easily see if here is currency, which currency is here. Here currency is GBP. GBP means pound currency. Pound currency, UK currency. Okay, one method is that, and second method is that you can click here three lines. Here three lines you click, then you click there inside balance. Sorry, click here setting and privacy, and then click here account. Okay, here have account. Click on account, then you see have account information. Click here account information, and then you can easily see that your account region is United Kingdom. Account region United Kingdom. By using this method you can easily know that this is your account UK or not. If you want more tips, if you want to learn more about that, then you can follow me. Then